Welcome back to Edubel. I hope you all are doing good and your day was super duper great. So today we are going to learn one more step forward in our logical reasoning chapters called direction sense, and we have learned about sides. So let's recall what we have learned. So we have learned about the sides till now, right? We have learned about the sides that are, we have learned about left, and we have learned about right. Kids, we have learned about left and we have learned about right. Okay, now we have also learned about cardinal directions. Remember, we have also learned about some cardinal directions. I hope that you remember what are our cardinal directions. How many cardinal directions we have learned about? We have learned about 4 cardinal directions. What were they? Can you please tell me? Yes. One is from north, the other is south. Now, these two cardinal directions, I want to tell you that you have to keep in mind that other is the west and next is the east. Now, why I am marking it with a different color? Because these two cardinal directions depends every cardinal direction, but here east and west depends on my left hand side and on my right hand side. So if I'm standing in the opposite from you, this is my west and this is my east. But when I'm standing right beside you, the west will change into east and the east will change into west. So these are the things you have to keep in mind while doing the cardinal directions. Okay? Fine. So now let's learn today what we were learning. What is the topic of our today's video? That is top, middle. We are going to learn top, middle, and bottom. Okay, so we are going to learn these 3 things today. Okay, so now let's just make a grid over here. Let's just make a grid over here. Okay, let me make a little bigger grid so that we can, easily learn. Okay. We are going to learn the top, middle, and bottom inside this grid. So I am making a 3 by 3 grid over here. Okay. That means 3 on top, 3 rows, and 3 columns will be there. Okay. So now we know that what is the top? Top means now inside the grid, this line, if I'm going to say, is the top. Let's denote it some numbers. Okay. So the number 1, number 2, and number 3. These boxes comes under the top section. Right? Now, the number 4, 5, and 6 box, the number 4, 5, and 6 box comes under the middle one. Okay, so let me write middle. Okay, now the number 7, 8, and 9 comes under the bottom. Right, kids? The number 7, 8, and 9 comes under the bottom. Now here also we are going to know that which is our left hand side and which is our right hand side. So that is why it is important to know and get very clearance that which is our right hand side and which is our left. Okay. So this is our right hand side. Okay. This is our right hand side and this is our left hand. Okay, so the box is falling in this side, like the number 1, 4, and 7. Those are the left. And the box is falling on this side, like number 3, 6, and 9. These are the right hand side. Wait. So now we are going to learn about some of the names of the boxes, what we are going to call. Okay, so let's talk about the top section first. So first of all, let's talk about top left. Let's talk about top left. So this one, number 1, number 2, and number 3. These are our top columns, and that makes left. So top left. This is my top box, and it is in the left hand side. So it is top left. Okay. If under the top column, the next one comes is top middle. The next one comes is top middle. So this is again top column and the middle is number 2. So what I'm going to name this is as top middle. Okay. Now what comes next is top right. Okay. What comes next is top right. This is our again number 3 is on top column and this is our right hand side. This is our top right box. Okay, so this was our top column. So we have covered the top column yet. Now middle and bottom column is left. Let's learn about that also. Let's learn about middle right. What is, okay, let's do with middle left first. What is our middle left? So this is our middle column from number 4, 5, and 6. That is our middle. So number 4 is our middle. Oh, just a minute. Number 4 is our middle left. Okay, so number 4 is our middle left. Now, is middle right. Because middle. It can't be here like a middle, right? So, middle, if we are going to say middle, then it is this one. So, that is the center, the most center box. That is number 5. Okay, now let's come about middle right. Let's talk about middle right. This is the middle column and this is the right hand side. So this is middle right. Okay. Now let's learn about the bottom columns. Top is covered, middle is covered. Let's talk about bottom. So the bottom left, now you must know that what is the bottom left. This is the bottom column and it is in the left hand side. This is bottom left. What is bottom middle? Next is our bottom middle, right? Next is our bottom middle. Okay. Next is our bottom middle. So this is our bottom middle. Okay, kids? This is our bottom middle. Now this is our bottom. This is the bottom column. This is the right hand side. This is bottom right. Okay. So till now we have learned about all the top, middle, and bottom. What is top, what is middle, what is bottom. And now we have learned about each and every box inside of the grid as well. So on the basis of this, let's do one worksheet on the top, middle, and bottom, finding the objects. You have to identify the objects on the basis of it. Okay, kids? So now here you can see again a 3 by 3 grid as I mean there. You can see 3 by 3 grid over here in which there are some objects or some animals, right? You can see a watch, you can see zebra, chair, a gift box, a house, and many more. Okay, so now you have to use these questions, you have to use your knowledge, and you have to tell that what is in the top left, which is what is the thing that is in top left. Okay, let me write it over here. This is our top, and this is our middle. We have just did it, right? So this is our bottom, right, kids? This is top, and this is the, okay, let me tell you, this is the left and this is the right. This is our left hand side, and which is on the top, that is a watch. On the top left, a watch is there. Okay. Now if we are going to talk about bottom left, this is our bottom column. And left is the side, so bottom left is having a card, right? Bottom left is having a card, which is in the middle, right? So this is our middle. This is the right hand side. So this is our middle, right? That's a rose. Find the seat. Now, till now, we were given the positions and we have to find out what object is there. But this time we are given with the object and we have to find out the position. So first of all, without seeing the options, let's find the position of the zebra. Here is a zebra. This is the top column. And it is not even left. This is not even right. It is in middle. So what is the position? Top, middle. So where is the option top, middle? Here. So we are going to take it, mark that as top, middle. Which is in the middle? Left. Middle and left. So this is our middle column. And this is the thing which is on left hand side. That is the red box. Okay. So till now we have learned about what is top, what is middle, what is bottom. We have learned about cardinal directions, north, east, west, south, plus left hand side and right. So that's all for the direction sense. In the next video, we will be covering some new topics. Till then, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you are not going to forget any updates from India. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.